Hey everyone, and welcome to SoftechOnline. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about YouTube's new policy on AI-generated content. This policy requires creators to disclose when their videos contain AI-generated or altered content that could be mistaken for real. First of all, what is AI-generated content? AI-generated content is any content that is created using artificial intelligence. This can include videos, images, audio, and text. Secondly, why does YouTube have a policy on AI-generated content? YouTube wants to make sure that viewers are aware when they are watching AI-generated content. This is because AI-generated content can be used to create misleading or harmful content. Now, what are the requirements of the policy? Creators who use AI to create or alter their videos must disclose this in the video description or on the player. This disclosure must be clear and easy to find. Now, what are the penalties for not complying with the policy? YouTube may take action against creators who do not comply with the policy. This could include removing the video, demonetizing the video, or suspending the channel. Let's also see what are some examples of AI-generated content. Some examples of AI-generated content includes videos that are created using deep fakes, images that are created using AI-powered image generators, audio that is created using AI-powered text-to-speech generators, text that is created using AI-powered writing assistants. Now, how can we tell if a video is AI-generated? There are a few things you can look for. The video may have a disclaimer in the description or on the player. The video may look too good to be true. The video may contain content that is unlikely to be real. Finally, what should I do if I see a video that I think is AI-generated? If you see a video that you think is AI-generated, you can report it to YouTube. You can also leave a comment on the video asking the creator to disclose that the video is AI-generated. In conclusion, YouTube's new policy on AI-generated content is an important step in ensuring that viewers are aware of the content they are watching. By requiring creators to disclose when their videos contain AI-generated content, YouTube is helping to protect viewers from misleading and harmful content. Thanks for listening to SoftechOnline. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to the channel. You can also find us on social media. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.